Bath is ready, water warm. Tony comes with happy charm. Rubber duck is in his arm. Fun begins with safe and calm. Splashing water here and there. Drops are flying in the air. Tony laughs without a care. Tony laughs without a care. Bath time joy he loves to share. Fun everywhere. Soap goes on, it starts to foam. Cleaning hands from head to toe. Tony learns as bubbles grow, making cleanliness glow. Nice and slow. Bubbles floating big and small. Tony pops them one and all, laughing loudly in the hall. Bubbles rise and gently fall. Bubbles rise and gently fall. Fun for all. Shampoo makes the foam so white. Hair gets clean and soft and light. Tony closes eyes so tight. Everything feels just right. What a sight. Scrubbing clean from top to feet, making every part complete. Tony feels so fresh and sweet. Bath time cannot be beat. Water flows and soap is gone. Clean and fresh he carries on. Tony shines like early dawn. All the dirt is truly gone. New day's born. Towel warm and soft to hold. Wiping water, feeling bold. Tony's story now retold. Clean and fresh like shining gold, pure and cold. Mirror shows a shiny face. Tony